Hey everyone, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Hey. So today we have a much requested video. It is how I store all of my makeup, my skincare, how I basically like manage everything, how I organize everything. So this video is going to be exactly all about that. Also guys, seeing as this cupboard desperately needs to be reorganized, there's so much stuff that's brand new and just kind of like really overflowing. So I'm gonna do a really special package that is gonna be a giveaway. So if you want to enter, then watch until the end and I will announce how you can enter the giveaway. It's gonna be very special and it's gonna be international. So keep posted. Okay, so I have been getting so many DMs and so many comments of like, how do you store your makeup? Like, where do you keep it all? Obviously, you guys know that I am a beauty content creator, so I do get sent products through PR and I'm so honored and so blessed and so thankful, honestly. Like, it's just a dream come true, especially when it's your passion. So this is an updated kind of like video of how I store my makeup skincare collection. I did do one before in my previous apartment where I used to live before, so definitely go and check that out if you haven't already. But before we waste any more time, let me show you what's behind door number one. Alright, so quick disclaimer, this has not been organized. I've not tidied this up for you. This is how it is on a day-to-day. So some of you might think, wow, this is super organized, and some of you might think, wow, this is really messy. We are going to be going through this and decluttering the whole thing, which might be a whole other video. So we've literally just turned the camera on. This is it. I'm like, we're just gonna do this. So we're gonna show you how it really looks. So it's not as, just a little bit messy, just a little bit messy. Also, just before I show you what's inside of here, on the wall, I actually have a really proud moment. It is my Ardell Wispies lashes, my collaboration that I did with them, and I'm so proud of it. So I decided to take a pair and frame it, and I just want to say thank you again to every single person who bought a pair of lashes or even more than one pair and like supported me and Ardell. Like, honestly, it was such a dream come true, and hopefully one day there'll be more collaborations like this, okay? Alright, let's get into the video. So I'm kind of going to start from like top to bottom, and some boxes have been labeled. I would say most boxes have been labeled. So we're going to start off with like things like wipes. So in here we've kind of got like everything that we kind of use to like cleanse. We've got like cleansers, we've got like things to clean your beauty blenders, brushes, just like bits and bobs. I feel like, I don't even know what that's not meant to be in there, but this is a really good SPF, guys, if you've never used this before. All right, so just FYI, these units, is this really close?
No.
These units are from, I'm like, wow, that camera looked close. These units are actually from IKEA. So they are called, I think they're called the Besta units. So they're kind of like these big frames, and then we basically got two and put them together. And then you can basically select the different shelves that go in there and also the doors. So I just wanted something that was affordable, easy, clean, minimalist. Like, I spend most of my day in this room working, so I just wanted something that was like clean and simple and not loud. And I felt like it was just a really good, effective way. Like, I mean, everyone's kind of got the packs thing going on, and I think that looks so beautiful, but I just don't want to see it all. So this was a really good way of just like covering everything. And then inside we have these felt kind of like containers that I also got. And they're also from IKEA. I would say that these cost a little bit more just because I had to buy so many of them, and it kind of did add up. But for me, it was just like a really good way to kind of store things in, and they kind of fit in really well. So I like that, just to maximize the kind of space. Like, if anything, I'm like, this space is not utilized, you know? You want to make sure you utilize the most space. So we had a look at wipes. We've also got things in here like tan, which we're not going to pull out because I have a lot of tan. I have a lot of tan. I do like my fake tan now and then. And then we also have face masks. You guys know how much I love skincare. Oh no, I dropped the This is such a cute little brush. If you haven't used it before, it's actually from Glam Glow. But yeah, I like applying my skincare with like little brushes. Alright, so on the next one we kind of have like face masks, toners, and like peeling products. So anything that might be like acids, glycolic acids, AHA, BHA. And then we kind of have like our nighttime skincare and lip balms, which I
Can I speak to your manager, please?
Guys, I feel like I need to do a whole video on my lip balm collection because it's getting a little bit ridiculous right now. I have this obsession with lip balms and yeah, I'm just obsessed with them. But my nighttime skincare, I just love a nighttime skincare moment. So this product I absolutely love. It's the Deep Sleep Pillow Spray, and I literally just spray this on to my pillows or my bedding just before I go to sleep, and it really does work. It really helps me sleep. So if I ever go away somewhere, if I'm on holiday or anything, you know when you sleep on like a new bed and you're just a bit like, oh, I'm not used to it, spray this on and you'll have the best sleep. Honestly, this is so good. I've got like 5 of these. I'm obsessed, guys. I'm obsessed. Okay, next up we have sheet masks, and it's going to be hard getting this out because it's a little bit packed. We definitely need to...
We went through that the other day.
Did we?
Yeah. We didn't even... It wasn't even that long ago.
Okay, as we can tell, we need a little bit of an organization going on here. Okay, so over here we have the sheet mask drawer. This is actually insane. I don't think anyone needs this many sheet masks. It's a little bit wild. And personally, I feel like for me, I'm always trying to find a good balance of like makeup and skincare because I love makeup, but I also love skincare. I've got so much skincare. This is not even all of it, guys. I have 2 cabinets in the bathrooms full of skincare. So we literally just have loads of sheet masks, and we also have these little ones which are like eye patches and Foreo ones that you can use with their little devices. And I'm not sure if you can see, but some of my favorites are from this brand called Celesta Beauty. I just love this. Like their products and their masks just have so much juice, and that's what you want. They're just really, really nice. Obviously you guys have seen me feature that so many times. So let's put that back in here. Oh! Oh! Definitely needs a bit of a clear out, right guys? Right, so next one down is kind of, so we kind of started to look like skincare and bits like that, and now we're slowly gonna move into like makeup a little bit more. So we have makeup removers, cleansers, exfoliator. I love a cleanser so much. You can kind of see, oh, here are some of my favorites. We've got Ulla Henriksen, Tatcha, we've got some Estee Lauder, we've got Murad, Kate Somerville. There are so many goodies in there. And then we also have beauty blenders. I might change this to just like sponges because there's a bit of a mix in there, but mainly these are just like brand new ones, but I actually have another container which is full of sponges that aren't in the packages. And then we have setting sprays. We've got facial devices, which is actually really cool. It's just like different Foreos, face halos. These are kind of like pads to wipe your makeup off, which is a little bit more sustainable. We have primers, powders. I'm actually shook at how small this powder thing is because I love a powder, as we know. I kind of have like combination skin, so I do love a powder. And then moving down here, we have foundations, which you kind of see is, she's overflowing. She is overflowing. And also concealers, which I think, okay, this is kind of organized. Yes, look at this concealer moment. So obviously here we have Nars, Huda Beauty, Fenty. The Too Faced one is a whole mix of different concealers. So yeah, we're kind of into like makeup reel now. Okay, so this takes us down to the lower section. This is the final kind of section. And over here we have palettes. Again, this is overflowing. I don't know why I have so many palettes, but I'm always like, oh, I could use that. I might need that. We have highlighters. I do not know how I have more highlighters than powders. I don't know how that happened, but you can kind of have a look. Oh, she's overflowing. I definitely will be putting a lot of these products into this giveaway because I'm a bit shook at how much I have, and I definitely don't need all these, so hopefully they'll go to a really good home and be used by you lovely people. So next up we have, this one's actually eyes. Everything's kind of falling out. This is so lol. Yeah, so this is eyes. So in here we have like liners, pencils, glitters, mascaras, things like this. We have lashes. Okay, so here we have some lashes from my friend Gary, who also has his lashes with Isla. So this is so cute. I love them so much. This is Bad and Bougie. And then we also have at the bottom glitters, like literally just like loads of glitters and like different types of things. I can kind of pull it out to show you a little bit more, but there's blood for like Halloween looks. There's just like different glitters, different gems. And then we also have some brows as well. So these are all just like brow products, loads of Benefit. loads of like Urban Decay, just a whole mix of different things. And then also lips. I feel like this is actually really organized because we're quite, well, I love a nude lip, so I'm always like, I always keep nudes. But yeah, we have so many different things. We've got Pat McGrath, we've got NYX, Fenty. The Fenty lip glosses are just so bomb. We've got some pencils as well. There's some Nars products. There's just a whole mix, but there's definitely way too much. Like most of these products I've either used like some of them I used quite a few times, but some of them I haven't even used. They're like brand new. So yes. Okay, also, can you believe we actually have 4 of these cupboards? So that's 1, and then we have another 3 in this room. But I'm not gonna show you all of them because we're gonna be here all day, but I'll show you a little bit of this one as well. Again, it hasn't really been like organized, but this is usually where I keep my makeup, my personal makeup, but I've just ordered a brand new makeup bag from Mitchell, or Made by Mitchell, and that's on its way. It's actually arriving tomorrow. So when that arrives, I'm also gonna be organizing my personal makeup, and that's gonna be a separate video as well. So keep your eyes peeled for that. If you love anything organizational, it's coming your way, okay? It's coming your way. So in here we have some like little backdrops, some mirrors. This is just kind of like some hair care stuff. So if I ever do like a hair video, there's some extras, there's like diffusers. Oh, this is my MAC brushes from when I used to work at MAC. Let me show you. Look, this is literally all of my brushes from MAC when I used to work there on counter. Oh my god, this is so crazy, look. This is how I started my makeup career. Oh my god, that's so crazy to look at that. Okay, so that goes in there. So that's just I don't know why it's in there. And then if we move on to the next area, then this is just like full of little things like accessories, like headbands, if you're ever gonna film like a skincare video, or like if you need a little towel, just little things like that, like little bits and bobs. And we have some camera equipment as well. So this will just be like some cameras in there. We've got different lenses. And if you do want to know more about what filming equipment I use, there's a whole video on my filming setup on my YouTube already. So maybe I'll link that down below if you want to watch that. And then we have some tech accessories. This is kind of just like bits for the iPhone, mirrors, like some iPhone cases. This one's from Casetify. I'm obsessed. This is my like Dubai ticket, which I love. And then here we have some makeup bags. So yeah, just a mix of like different little makeup bags in here, which is super cute. And then at the bottom, really it's just like a mix of different things. We have some mirrors, just if you want to do a makeup application. All in there, which is super cute. And this one is just full of Vichy products because I am a Vichy ambassador and have been for 2 years. So yeah, I'm always like kind of going in there and trying out different things all the time. So that's super cute. The final one, I'm not gonna show you because it's so messy. Honestly, it's actually so crazy. It's literally where I put everything that I want to film with. And at the moment, we kind of like put them, we need to reorganize that if I'm honest with you. But we kind of put everything in there, makeup and skincare. And then when we want to film videos, we basically just take it all out and then make videos. We'll be like, okay, that would be really good with that. That would be really good with that. And then just kind of put things that I'm really excited about in there. Okay, so I'm also going to show you my brushes. So I have these kind of like Morphe holders over here, and this is all of my brushes. There's so many. I actually have more brushes that I just kind of store, but this is enough. So we have all of our bigger brushes over here, all the little fluffy ones, and then we also have smaller ones here. And then these are kind of like just my go-to, the ones I kind of grab. And then the empty one is just full of brushes that's kind of like dirty. And let me show you this drawer because I'm excited about this. So in here is my go-to kind of like skincare. This is when I'm filming and I just want to grab something that's on the go. So over here we have the kind of like the lip obsession. We can kind of see these are all lip balms right here, guys. This is all lip balms. So lip balms, we have a little bit of skincare, like mist, face mist, some wipes. You always need them. I love the simple wipes. We have some Fenty Beauty moisturizer. This is probably like my current day-to-day go-to. Yeah, there's just loads of bits in there. Again, this is semi-tidy. It's not so bad. Okay, all right. So thank you so much for watching. As I mentioned earlier, I need to reorganize all of this. So I'm gonna be putting together a really special bundle of like makeup and skincare for a lucky winner. It's a giveaway. I think this is like one of the first giveaways I've ever done on my YouTube channel. I'm not sure, have I not? So yeah, to enter this giveaway, all you need to do is make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Please like this video and also leave a comment down below. You can write anything you want, but just make sure you put your Instagram handle, and also make sure you're following me over on my Instagram, which is just at Danny De Freitas. I kind of leave it all down here so you can just kind of tag me. And yeah, that way I will select a winner at random, and then I will DM you over on Instagram so that you can win your prize. So yeah, I'm so excited. Honestly, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you have enjoyed it. And when we next organize it, I'm also going to be filming that for you as well. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to enter the giveaway, and I'll see you on the next one.